everyone, this is Anu back in Varun's Bar. I'm making an interesting cocktail today. I don't know what to call it actually. It's probably a love potion because it's gonna have red wine in it and vodka. Can you believe that? Okay, so I have my vodka here. I'm pouring 60 ml of it in my ice. And then I'm gonna mix with it some lemonade. So that's all there is. There's lemon, sugar syrup and soda. That was about 60 to 70 ml of that. Just gonna stir it gently, and now I'm gonna pour my red wine over it. Okay, so we have our drink ready. That's all there is to it, and I'm just gonna garnish it with a little twist of lime. There you go, folks. Here's our love potion. Cheers.